Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set automatic sleep tracking on the Sleep as Android app. To set automatic sleep tracking, you want to go into Settings. Here, go into Sleep Tracking, then Automatic Sleep Tracking. In here, you can choose Start Sleep Tracking and make it either manual only, which will disable sleep tracking, that is automatic sleep tracking, after fall asleep, which your phone will try detecting when you fall asleep, based on your habits and how much movement is going on and stuff like that. Bedtime, which will work based on when your alarm is and what your sleep goals are set to be. And smart period, which will again do some calculations to try and figure out when you are most likely to be asleep to start sleep tracking on its own. You also can set that your phone needs to be charging either always, never, or when using sonar sleep tracking, which sonar sleep tracking uses a lot of power, so you might need it to be charging during that. Also you have sleep time estimate settings, which are going to, well, try and estimate your sleep time even if sleep tracking is not running. You can also choose to either use or not use Google Sleep API, which I recommend you keep it on to just maybe help it work a little bit better, possibly. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, like the video, and leave a comment down below.